Normally nothing ever goes wrong with the Yamaha motorcycles, especially a Super Tenere. But something happened. I think Ruben probably shoved a rock in the front seal here, and it's leaking. Lisboa, day 2. We're heading to the Yamaha dealership, maybe about 30 minutes out of town, to fix the fork seal leak on Tatanka and check out the dealership. Maybe they have a new T7 there. So we kind of parked illegally the motorcycle next to a hotel. Cross your fingers that Tatanka is still there. ¿Cómo se llama la estatua de Jesucristo? Portugal. Corcovado. Jesus of Corcovado, right there on my left, and it's actually a copy from the one in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Corcovado Mountain. But now we're just heading to the BP station on the right to meet Paulo, and he's gonna follow us or lead me to the Yamaha dealership in his car. Really appreciate that, my friend, because the Tatanka has to stay in surgery for 4 hours. I know why you came to this BP.
Yeah.
Exactly. Thank you, man. A true friend. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo está? Normally nothing ever goes wrong with the Yamaha motorcycles, especially a Super Tenere. But something happened. I think Ruben probably shoved a rock in the front seal here, and it's leaking a little bit. But after 70,000 kilometers, maybe the seal did go bad. But that's it. That's the only thing I've ever done to this motorcycle. Behave. Tatanka is full of super bugs, that's why. Mira, pibe, ¿cuánto te costó en España? Aquí vale 13.400 euros. Welcome to Algarve. Faro, are we in Faro or Sagres?
No, Albufeira.
Albufeira.
It's not, of course. But it looks like.
Yeah, we didn't make it, but this Sesimbra.
This is movie magic.
Movie magic. Sesimbra, Paulo says, is very similar to the Algarve, and since we didn't achieve the goal this time to make it to the bottom,
You're cheating, but okay.
We're cheating now.
Yeah.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers, my
Thank you so
friend,
much
to
for
you.
the tour.
Yeah, you're welcome, my friend.
Atención personal a cada momento en JB Motos. Mira qué lindo me dejaron la tanca. So clean. New fork seals on Tatanka. Thank you, JB Motos of Yamaha. She is ready for the rest of the world tour eventually. Also changed the air filter, and that's it. The only reason I came was because my left front fork was leaking a little bit from the Morocco trip. But other than that, Tatanka is a-okay. Back to Lisbon now, and back to the Abril Bridge. 29th of April bridge. Look at that, there's some kind of drum circle there.